AI courses you should be learning right now. Because if you do not learn AI and upskill yourself, by this same time next year, you are going to lose your job. So I'm going to start by sharing with you a post that was made by the CEO of Coursera. And as you can see, he says, I'm excited to share that Anthropic, one of the world's leading AI research companies, has launched a new course and specialization on Coursera to help learners and developers everywhere build practical hands-on AI skills. He explains more about the course, puts the link to the course, and there you see me in the comment section. And I'm like, it's Anthropic. They're a $1 trillion company. These courses should be free. Why did I put this comment? I did because, as you can see the screenshot there, I tried to register for this course, and when I was about to register, it said, oh, you actually have a 7-day free trial and then you have to pay for the course. And I went back to the post and I was like, no, like this should be a free course. Like, why is this paid for? And I still stand by that. Anthropic is a $1 trillion company. There's no reason why they should be putting this kind of a course out there and making people pay for it. Like, it makes no sense at all. So the CEO responds, some other lady, Christy says, yes, definitely be free. And then we have the CEO now responds, and then he says, Dr. Sylvie Watikum, the building with the Claude API course is free. To enroll, he puts the link. So that is the first course that we are going to talk about today, that it is free. The building with the Claude API. This is the course. Building with the Claude API. Go to course. As you can see, 2,588 already enrolled. So you have these modules of the course and the things that you're going to learn. It says that there are 7 modules in this course. You have getting started with Claude, prompt engineering, Claude features, model context, retrieval, augmented generation, Claude code and computer use, agentic flows. So this is the course that is actually free. This is the course that I tried to register for, and they said that I had to pay. Real world AI for everyone specialization. This feels very, everybody can come in. You can come, you can study. Even no matter how beginner you are, you can learn something. See, it says here, even when you look at the models, AI fundamentals with Claude, AI collaboration with Claude, AI automation with Claude. So there is that idea of fundamentals, like if you're a beginner, you can take this course. But unfortunately, this real world AI for everyone is not free, but you can still get their building with Claude API for free. That is the first course that we are going to talk about that is free today. The second course that we are going to talk about is from IBM. I think SkillsBuild is like a company. I don't know if it's a company that is part of IBM, or is it this kind of Anthropic, Coursera kind of a partnership. But the idea is that they are partnering to help people who want to get good at AI learn. And the thing that I really like about the course is it is actually a free course. And as you can see here, I like this really way better than the Anthropic course, because the title here, Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals. Fundamentals. So if you're someone who is a beginner, you're still trying to start your way into the world of AI, you're still trying to get your feet wet, you're not even sure where to start, taking a course that says Artificial Intelligence Fundamentals is going to get you started, right? So let's look through the models that are here. It says complete 6 required. As you can see here, you have Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, and then you have Machine Learning and Deep Learning, AI Ethics, Natural Language Processing, Run AI Models with IBM Watson Studio, Your Future in AI, The Job Landscape. This is an amazing course. Like, just you, and as you can see, this is my progress. Introduction to AI. I am starting this one here, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. When I'm done with that, I'll do the natural language processing, machine learning and deep learning, and all of this, and I'll go through this, and all of this is free. So if you are, you should, you really should. If you're someone who is trying to get good, get better, no matter your background, you can start with this course. I'm going to put all of the links in the description box such that you all can go ahead and sign up for these courses. I really like this IBM course. It feels very beginner friendly. It feels like you can start from there and gradually walk your way through and learn as much as you can about artificial intelligence. And honestly, if you are still sitting on the sidelines thinking that this is not for you, you are not doing the right thing. you are really not doing the right thing, because the pace at which AI is taking over the world is crazy. You have to get on the, like, you have to get on the bandwagon. No matter how you feel about it, you have to get on the bandwagon. Right? Now let us go to the next course, and this is actually from OpenAI Academy. The reason why I really like there's the OpenAI Academy courses is because, of course, yes, it is free, but you can see the way it is organized. It is like for everybody. So let's just scan through, right? So here it starts here. You have Introduction to GPT 5.1, which is the most recent version of it. AI for non-profit. AI creating a custom GPT. AI for small businesses, veterans, professors, teaching, what's new, OpenAI for government, OpenAI for business, ChatGPT on campus, Sora tutorials, developer build hours, and then market research with ChatGPT, strategic planning with ChatGPT. Go through, you have the collaboration and all of this. Like, you have helping job seekers with ChatGPT. If you are seeking a job, you should definitely be there. AI Home, K-12 management, scaling access, introduction to ChatGPT for small businesses, small business prompt pack, non-profit. So you find all of these courses that are all free. And I think that if you are someone that is, and I don't know, getting out of school or out of school, this is where you should be spending a good chunk of your time learning all of these courses, and especially taking advantage of them right now that it is free, because I do not know if these courses are going to be free same time next year, same time in 2 years time, same time. I have no idea. So everyone, you all come here, you're going to create an account, and for some weird reason, if you can see here, this is my account. I wrote the learner are jobless. Anywho, you're going to create an account. They actually require that you upload your photo. I don't know why that is so important for them, because I was creating it without a photo and it kept giving me an error like, upload your photo please, upload your photo please, upload your photo. Get access to all of these courses at OpenAI Academy. Study them, upskill yourself as much as possible. Now let us go to the last course, which is the Upskill for the holidays. Check out no cost AI training now. This is from Google, and it is done with Google Cloud, and it is like a holiday gift. They say the gift that keeps on giving. No cost AI learning on Google Skills, right? So one of the things that I was really impressed with the way this course is structured is because they had for technical learners, and then they had for non-technical learners. I think this is so important, because when you take some time, like you spend some time learning about things related to AI and everything, you realize that if you're not a technical person, where you start is very different from someone that is a technical person. So I think that thus far, in terms of organization, IBM as well as well, all of them are really like kind of targeted, but I like that concept of, for technical people, if you do not have any technical background, at least you have where to start. So let's start with for non-technical people. So you have this course here. You have generative AI leader, beyond the chatbot, no credits required. You have introduction to Gemini Enterprise, no credits required. Google AI Essentials. You have AI Boost Bytes, amplify exec voices with AI. Future-proof your AI learning strategy. So these are the courses that are available for those that are non-technical people, us. Although I'm trying to walk my way into the technical section. Now you have for technical learners. So you have kickstarting application development with Gemini Code Assist. These are people that are like coding, they get some help. Get started with vibe coding and Gemini CLI. What I'm actually learning right now is vibe coding. I'm learning vibe coding. And then use model context protocol, tools for ADK agents, streamline app development with Gemini Code Assist, Google Cloud for AI infrastructure, supervise fine-tuning with Gemini, connect to remote agents with ADK and agent to agent, A to A SDK. So these are the courses for the technical people. And as I have said already, we have no idea for how long these are going to be free. So y'all go ahead, sign up for these courses, take them, study them, make notes, keep them in a repository, use that information in order to come up with projects. And if you're someone struggling to get to doing like exercises about this, sign up for my newsletter. What I'm trying to do on the newsletter is have us practicing the use of this AI as much as possible, building some projects so we can all together build our portfolios as we learn this AI. Because trust me, I've been doing a lot of reading about the AI world, and one of the things that people that are hiring, people that are in the space are talking about is it is so important for you to have a portfolio that shows what you can do, what you have done and what you can do. Because people are lying on their CVs and say, okay, I'm smart at this, I know how to do this, I know. And the thing is, getting into AI is not just about knowing how to use ChatGPT or Claude or Perplexity. It is going beyond those things. Be able to think about things in a very complex fashion and see how is the AI hallucinating, what is the thought process, is it giving you correct answers. So you really have to get into it, do projects so you can show that. So if you're someone interested, sign up for my Substack newsletter. Let us all grow learning AI together. I'm going to see you all in the next one. Peace.